You heard stories like this,
$27 into millions.
and that people are making
billions and billions
of dollars. And now you think, what is cryptocurrency and how can I make money with it too? Watch this beginner-friendly video until the end. I'll explain the tough stuff in a super simple way. Show you which websites and apps to use, and I will reveal the crypto secrets that no one talks about. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is digital money that exists only online. It is secured by cryptography, making it very hard to fake or hack. Unlike regular money, crypto isn't controlled by any central bank or government. It runs on a technology called blockchain. A blockchain is like a digital notebook that everyone can see but no one can change. Advantages of cryptocurrency: no central banks, you control your own money, super low transfer fees, you can send $1 million for less than $1 in fees, fast transfers, transactions usually take 2 to 5 minutes, no paperwork, no need to show documents or wait in line at a bank. Some transactions can be anonymous. Crypto is one of the easiest and fastest ways to make life-changing money. The first cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, created in January 2009 by an anonymous person or group called Satoshi Nakamoto. Back then, the price of Bitcoin was less than 1/10 of a cent. In 2025, the price of 1 Bitcoin is over $100,000. The price of Bitcoin continues to rise mainly because its supply is limited to just 21 million coins. Each year, more and more people learn about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general, but the supply remains fixed. Another reason why the price of Bitcoin constantly rises is halving. Bitcoin halving means fewer new Bitcoins are made, making it more rare, and that often drives the price up. This happens about every 4 years. If you visit this website, you will see that the price has always gone up after each halving. It also shows the best buying opportunities to purchase Bitcoin at low prices and sell it for a profit. Bitcoin is considered digital gold and a store of value. Major hedge funds, cities, and even governments are considering using it as a strategic reserve, like gold 2.0. All cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin are called altcoins, short for alternative coins. Popular examples include Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin, and others. Right now there are over 15 million cryptocurrencies. But there is the truth: 99% are trash. To track coins, people typically use these websites: CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Cryptocoins are ranked by market cap, short for market capitalization, which is a way to measure the total value of a cryptocurrency. Generally, the higher coin ranks by market cap, the more stable and secure it is considered to be. Altcoins can be categorized into different types. Stablecoins, cryptocurrencies that are pegged to real-world assets like the US dollar to keep their value stable. Layer 0, networks that provide the foundation for building multiple blockchains. They connect different blockchains together. Layer 1, the base blockchains where transactions and smart contracts happen directly. Layer 2, technologies built on top of Layer 1 blockchains to make them faster and cheaper. Meme coins, fun community-driven coins often based on internet jokes or memes. Even President Trump has his own meme coin. Real-world assets, tokens that represent real-world things like real estate, gold, or company shares on the blockchain. Gaming, crypto projects that power blockchain-based games and virtual economies. AI and big data, projects that combine artificial intelligence and blockchain for smarter data-driven applications. DePIN, crypto-powered networks that crowdsource physical infrastructure like wireless networks, sensors, or data storage. There are many other categories, but I've listed the main ones. You don't need to remember them all. Just know that altcoins are divided into different segments. If you want to explore them, you can visit CoinMarketCap. Every coin has its own price, you don't need to buy a whole coin. For example, if you have just $1,000, you can buy this amount of Bitcoin. You can buy 0.38 Ethereum or millions of Shiba Inu. Why do crypto prices go up or down? First, one of the biggest reasons is the Federal Reserve, the US central bank. When the Fed raises interest rates, it becomes more expensive to borrow money, so people invest less. That can cause crypto prices to drop. When the Fed lowers rates, money becomes cheaper, and investors often move back into risky assets like crypto, pushing prices up. Here's an example. The Fed cuts rates in September 2024, and the price of Bitcoin rises by an astonishing 82% in just 3 months. The second, news and hype. Good news, like a country allowing crypto or a big company investing in it, can cause prices to rise. Bad news, like bans, hacks or scams, can make prices fall fast. For example, on 4th of December, the price of RSR coin jumps 182% amid speculation that Paul Atkins may become the next US SEC chair. The third, Bitcoin's movement. Bitcoin is like the leader of the crypto market. When Bitcoin goes up, most other coins go up too. When it drops, others usually follow. I highly recommend that you take a screenshot of this image. It could be very useful in your crypto journey. The fourth, market sentiment, fear and greed. People's emotions matter a lot in crypto. When people feel excited or greedy, they buy, prices rise. When people panic, they sell, prices crash. Warren Buffett is one of the richest and most successful investors in history. He once said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." To track the fear and greed index, people usually use this website. It helps identify the best buying and selling opportunities in the crypto market. If this index is below 20, it's the best time to buy coins. If it's above 90, it's a good time to sell coins. The fifth, whales. A few large investors called whales can move the market by buying or selling huge amounts of crypto. If a whale sells a lot, the price can suddenly drop. For example, on the 1st of April 2025, big whales dumped 9 coins, causing their prices to drop by 15 to 53% within several minutes. The sixth, tech updates and project news. If a coin launches a new feature or partners with a big company, its price can go up. If there is a bug, delay or failed project, the price can drop. For example, in August 24, the price of Sun coin pumped by 389% after Tron founder Justin Sun tweeted about the launch of the Sun Pump platform. The seventh, listing or delisting or warning label. When a coin gets listed on a big exchange like Binance, Bybit or Coinbase, it means people can now buy and sell it there. This usually brings more attention and buyers, so the price often goes up. Delisting. Delisting is when an exchange removes a coin from its platform. This usually happens if the coin has low trading volume, legal issues, or the project is no longer active. Delisting can scare investors and the price usually drops hard. Monitoring tag or warning label. Some exchanges like Binance put a monitoring tag or warning label on risky coins. It's a way of saying this coin might get delisted if it doesn't improve. When a coin gets this tag, people often start selling it, which can cause the price to drop. How to buy cryptocurrency? To buy crypto and start making money, you need a crypto exchange. There are 2 types of exchanges: SEX and DEX. A centralized exchange is like a regular online platform. It's easy to use, fast and good for beginners. A decentralized exchange lets you trade crypto directly with other people using smart contracts. It's harder to use and slower. Here are 5 reasons why centralized exchanges are better than decentralized exchanges. Be careful, some exchanges are scams. To find the most reliable crypto exchanges, visit CoinMarketCap. The top 5 exchanges listed there are the safest and most trusted. You can also use my links in the description to open an account and get up to $30,000 in bonuses and trading fee discounts. Simply create your account. I personally trade on Bybit. Complete KYC, upload your passport or ID, takes about 5 minutes. Add your card, buy USDT, it works like digital dollars. Start trading, now you can buy any crypto you want. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I put a lot of effort into creating this video to help you understand what cryptocurrency is in the simplest way possible. I also shared several useful websites and real examples. Drop a comment if you have any questions. I reply to everyone. In the next video, I will share more than 15 ways to make money with crypto, so you can choose the one that suits you best.